In this video, we are going to talk about how to describe settings based on Cambridge Primary English Activity Book. Open page number 7 and turn to exercise B. Here we have to read the description that is provided to us. It was a nice day, so we decided to go to the beach. I was feeling happy. The beach was nice and all the people were happy. I wanted to paddle in the sea. The water felt nice. After my paddle, I had a nice ice cream. I'm happy, I told my mom. Thank you for such a nice day out. Now, what is the problem with this text here? That the two words nice and happy are being repeated over and over, and that makes our writing boring and dull. So let us see how can we make this text more interesting by using different and new adjectives in each sentence. It was a nice day, so we decided to go to the beach. Now, I would like you to think about the day, what kind of day it would be when you would plan to go for a picnic. An ordinary day, a regular day, a sunny day, a beautiful day, lovely day, good day, cold day, hot day, and so on. Here, I'm going to choose the adjective lovely to rewrite my sentence. And the new sentence is, it was a lovely day, so we decided to go to the beach. I was feeling happy. Now, what are different ways in which you can describe that you are happy? When you plan to go for a picnic, or you come to know that you are going for a picnic, you feel excited, you feel delighted or pleased, you feel thrilled, looking forward to have fun at picnic. So our new sentence is, I was feeling excited. The beach was nice and all the people were happy. Tell me, students, what adjective comes to your mind the instant you see this picture of the beach? The adjective that pops up in my mind is beautiful, calm, peaceful, quiet, serene, relaxing, or sandy. But what about this picture of the beach? What adjectives you can use to describe this picture of the beach? It looks crowded, it looks messy or overcrowded, it looks loaded, packed or jam-packed. Our new sentence is, the beach was beautiful. You can use a different adjective than me. The beach was beautiful and all the people were happy. The beach was beautiful and all the people were happy. Now we have to work on this part of the sentence. So can we say all the people were having fun? That means all the people were enjoying. But we cannot use enjoying here. Why? Because enjoying is a verb and we are on the hunt for adjectives. So we have to find an appropriate adjective to use in this sentence. When people are having fun, they are full of life and energy. So can I use the adjective lively over here? Or maybe cheerful? The modified sentence is, the beach was beautiful and all the people were cheerful. Or you can use lively. The water felt nice. The water felt cold. After my paddle, I had a nice ice cream. Now, how can you describe ice cream? Maybe you can use adjectives to describe the taste of the ice cream. Yummy, delicious, Or you can use adjectives to describe its texture: creamy, smooth, soft. Or you can describe what flavor of the ice cream you ate, like mango, chocolate, strawberry. So our new sentence looks like this. After my pedal, I had a strawberry ice cream. I'm happy, I told my mom. We have already discussed earlier what adjectives you can use to describe happy. I am overjoyed, I told my mom. Thank you for such a nice day out. So when you had a fun-filled day with your family at a picnic, how would you describe that day? Wonderful, pleasant, amazing day, memorable day, refreshing day, fantastic day, awesome, terrific. Thank you for such a wonderful day out. So now that we have completed our task, let's reread our new version of the text. It was a lovely day, so we decided to go to the beach. I was feeling excited. The beach was beautiful and all the people were cheerful. I wanted to paddle in the sea. The water felt cold. After my paddle, I had a strawberry ice cream. I am overjoyed, I told my mom. Thank you for such a wonderful day out. Perfect. This sounds interesting. We have successfully managed to make our writing more interesting by using new and different adjectives in our paragraph. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you.